Okay, here we have the Enfield. Did a lot this winter, threw a whole bunch of parts at it. There's the Indian fender badge, or what do they call it? Front number plate. Lots of brass on the engine. Okay, here we have the rocket finned exhaust pipe tip. I mean, that's good for at least 10 horsepower or 10 miles an hour, right? But Buck Rogers would approve. Okay, here we have the tail lamp treatment with the brass cover and the turn signals relocated, all brass hardware. They didn't come with a seat in the back. Have a new grab rail, grab handle, another swing arm cover. Lots of dirt. Got plenty of dirt. What we haven't gone through is the handlebars and risers. Did brass grips, brass levers, brass mirrors, brass risers. Did cafe bars, Clubman. And then same treatment on the other side. Anyway, that's about it. Okay, here we have a whole row of goddamn dirty motorcycles. Just what everybody needs to see. The Enfield Indian, the 75 TS 185 Sierra, a 2000 Ural Bavarian Classic of the Polish limousine service for Alex. The Honda CM91, it's a 1967. The 1974 Cushman Truckster. And just trying to get the garage cleaned out a bit so I have them all lined up.